Oh, back like I never left. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now, today we have the Soundcore AeroFit 2 open earbuds. We're going to break down everything these have to offer and my time with it. So let's get right into the video. All right, so the most important thing about any product is the price. So when it comes to the price, you're going to be looking at $130 for the AeroFit 2s. They come in 4 different color options as well. You can get it black, blue, this green right here, or white. Those are the color options that you have to choose from. Now, I put the link down in the description below so you can click that and check the current price and the colors. And also when you use that link, I do get a little bit of commission for sending you over there. It makes Amazon have to pay me and it helps the channel out, so I really do appreciate it. So when it comes to the comfort for the AeroFit 2s, they are very comfortable. At first I was nervous when I put them on because they were just moving around and wobbling a lot, but it's because I didn't have the right adjustment on there, because there is 4 different adjustments on this for different ear sizes. So like 1 and 2 small to medium ears and 3 to 4 for larger ears. So I just got the right adjustment for me and it fit really good and it felt good as well. Also, they said it works well with glasses. I do use them when I was sitting at the desk, or I did use them when I was sitting at the desk, prepping for the video for a little bit, and it felt fine. It wasn't like I had to keep moving the glasses around. So if you are a glasses wearer, these would be great with your glasses also. When it comes to the battery life, you're gonna be looking up to 10 hours of battery life on the open earbuds. Of course, that depends on how you listen. If you listen on max volume, any of that, more bass in your songs. But you get 42 hours in total with a case. So you're gonna have all day listening. You're gonna be covered with these open earbuds. So when it comes to the battery life, it has you covered. So when it comes to the waterproof level of this, you're gonna be looking at IP55, as you see here on the chart. That means it is dust and waterproof. So you're gonna be fine with this out in the rain. If you're sweating with this in the workout, going for a jog in the rain or run, any of that, you're gonna be covered with the IP55 rating on these open earbuds. All right, so one cool feature that they have within the Soundcore app with the AeroFit 2s is AI translation for languages. So they can translate up to 100 languages within the app, and you can hear it in real time as well. So you just hit one button, and when someone's speaking a different language to you, it'll just translate it to you in your ear. Or you can do it where you hold it and they say it and then it'll go. But they do have real-time translation going on, and 100 different languages is pretty great, and it's free within the app, as long as you got the earbuds out. So it's really awesome. So I have 2 different demonstrations for you guys with my wife and my mom. My mom is speaking Spanish and my wife is speaking 2 different dialects from the Philippines, and we just tested them out just live. So here goes the video. All right, so we're gonna click the real-time translation here, and then I'm gonna click on it. I got the earbuds on, and Ma, go.
Hola familia, bueno, hoy le vamos a probar un dispositivo para traducirle de inglés a español. A ver cómo sirve.
All right, that's pretty long. All right, today we're going to approve a device for translating English to Spanish for them. Let's see how it works.
Yes.
That's what it said?
Yes.
All right. And this is live translation. After she finished, it just started saying it like someone's talking in my ear telling me what she's saying. All right, so now I'm going to switch the language over to, it just says Filipino on here. It says Philippines, Filipino. So we're going to try Tagalog and Cebuano and then see how she does. Now, my wife she's from Cebu, and she speaks Cebuano. That's her primary, but she knows Tagalog as well. So if it's like a little choppy or weird, don't be all on her head because it's not her main language. All right, so let's do this one.
Ganahan ko mong bisita sa Palawan inig bakasyon nato sa Pilipinas.
I want to visit Palawan when we vacation in the Philippines.
Yes!
That's really good because normally it's only Tagalog in these, and sometimes it's none of them. So that's good that it has
That's very good.
like all of the Philippines in there.
Gutom na ako at gusto ko nang kumain ng barbecue.
I'm hungry and I can't wait to eat the barbecue.
Yeah!
So that is the AI translation. It is really cool how it was able to basically break down what they were saying and do it in real time. So if you need something like that, and you're in a pickle, or you're like, I'm in a different country, I really don't know the language, I need to get assistance or something, or find your way to something, that's going to be a really great option for you. I did like this. It was way more accurate. I had another pair that was like a little bit more words were off. With this one is like 1 or 2 words, but a whole sentence is like, okay, I know what you're saying, exactly know what you're saying, and put it together way better. So definitely a thumbs up with the AI translation with the Soundcores. And it's really cool that, you know, my wife is Filipino. There's so many different dialects in the Philippines that it just says, you know, when you look at the language part in the app, it just says, you know, Filipino, Philippines. So we want to put the test because she speaks Cebuano. She is from Cebu, so that's her main language. So it was really cool that it was able to even break that down, and it wasn't just, you know, Tagalog. It was really awesome. But the most important thing about earbuds is how do they sound? That's the reason why you're buying them. They sound really good. I did like the volume that it gives off. So if you want some nice volume open earbuds, these are definitely going to be a pair for you. Because of the adjustment, you can move it and get it right over your ear canal, and you can really get the sound going in there because it is a longer extension. So it hovers over your ear a little bit better. So you have that option. So good on the volume. When it came to the bass, you do have a nice little bass on here. So if you do want a little bit more bass from an open earbuds that normally struggle in the bass range, you'll get a little bit better bass out of these as well. So I do give the bass a thumbs up when it comes to open earbuds. And sound quality in general, it sounds really good. You know, Soundcore has a great app. I think they have the best app when it comes to all, you know, music, basically, like all the different brands. I do love Soundcore's app and the customization that they give you when it comes to sound, to touching the buttons and all that. They give you a lot within their app. So if you want to customize the sound to your liking, you can do it within the app and get the earbuds sounding perfect. All right, so that is the breakdown of the Soundcore AeroFit 2s. They are a really great pair of earbuds, especially for that $100 range, everything you're getting out of it with that AI translation. If you are someone that travels a lot, that's gonna be great for you to have on hand, and you get a great volume as well. And you're also gonna be aware of what's going on because it's open earbuds, so you're gonna be able to hear what's going on around you, but you can turn the volume up and then adjust it where you can block out a little bit more of the world if you want to with these. All around, I do like these pair of earbuds, and open earbuds are really starting to come along and take over this year. I feel like there's a lot of them coming out, and this is just another great pair, and it definitely is a budget option for you as well. All right, so there you have it. And if you guys want to check these out yourself, like I said, I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and check it out yourself. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and check out one of my other videos, and I'll see all of you in my next one. Everyone be safe out there. My name was Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.